What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we've seen the price of Bitcoin absolutely explode, pushing up in a wave 5. Currently, we're sitting at 24.6K, up 7% on the day. Seeing a market cap of 471 billion, 24-hour volume 34.75 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitkit, make sure to sign up. Excuse me, sorry, I have the hiccups. Make sure to sign up, grab up to 8K in bonuses, or Bybit up to 30K in bonuses. Email me your sign-up email, completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Let's hop into Bitcoin. So we saw an absolutely explosive impulse to the upside. I thought we may go A, B, C, but it looks like we're going to put in that wave 5. So as of right now, we have 3 waves up, and we're pulling back on our wave 4. I dropped a signal for this in the Discord. So what you'd be looking for, take your fib retracement from the bottom of wave 2 to the top of wave 3. And you're looking for a retracement in between 24.1 and 23.4, the 236 to 0.5 for a wave 4 before pushing up in a wave 5. So here's what I think is going to happen. There's going to be a massive bull trap. We break above 25K. We're continuously printing a bearish divergence, losing strength. Money is flowing out, just as we did in our previous tops. When everybody thought we were going to 100K, what was happening on our indicators? First of all, price action was beginning to slow down, and we were losing strength. Money was flowing out. And what happened? Slowly, we create higher highs. Everyone thinks we're going to 100K, and then you come down, boom. A, B, C correction. Once again, we come up, we create a higher high. Everyone thinks we're going to 100K. We're losing strength. Money is flowing out very, very strongly, just as it is right now. Boom, correction. And I think that's what's happening once again. We've pushed up. The move is slowing down, but we are creating a higher high. Money is flowing out strongly. We're losing strength. Bulls are going to get really excited, thinking we're going to go to 40, 50K. What's going to happen is we're going to roll over and we're going to go A, B, C correction in a wave 2. And we're going to have a wave 1 up. We're going to have a wave 2 pullback. Everyone's going to be extremely bearish, especially if the wave 2 pullback is deep. Let's say it goes to 18K. Everyone will think we'll go to 12K. And that's the perfect setup for a wave 2. And then boom, you explode in your wave 3. That's what I think is the likely scenario. I don't think we're going to explode up from here to 30, 40, 50K. I do think we're going to have a bull trap, push above 25K, possibly 26K. Continue to print that divergence. Money is flowing out strongly on the daily. Everyone's going to FOMO in. The whales are going to take advantage. Boom, A, B, C correction, in my opinion. Just as we saw right here, slowly we're creating higher highs. Money's flowing out on the daily time frame. Boom, pullback. So just pop over to the daily chart and look at those 2 previous highs at 64K, at 60K, and you'll see the exact same thing. The indicators were telling us that the move was losing strength. It was slowly pushing higher and higher. The bulls were getting really excited, and then boom, ABC correction. Of course, anything can happen. I could be completely wrong, but that's what I think is the probable scenario. All right, gang. So the wave 5 target for BTC, if you take a trend-based fib extension, let me zoom out a little bit here. From the bottom of this wave 2 up to the top of the wave 3 to the bottom of the wave 4, you have a 618 extension of 27K. That would be a perfect level to fake out for everyone to think we're going to go to 28 to 30K, but it may not push that high with the smaller wave count already looking like it's pulling back in a wave 4, and then you would see a final wave 5. So same thing, take your trend-based extension from the bottom of wave 2 to the top of wave 3. Let's say the wave 4 goes down to the 382, then your wave 5 is at 25.6K. And we just break above 25K, trap the bulls, and then we see continuation to the downside. We'll have to see how it plays out. So what we may do here is roll over and create an ascending triangle. So we push up in a wave 1, A, B, C into a wave 2, come down to 19K, or we may come deeper, create a double bottom, boom, and then see a reversal. Because if the wave 2 retraces really deep, like 17, 18K, everyone's going to think we're going to go to 12K. And that's when the whales will be buying, in my opinion. We've seen it before, and I think we're going to see it again. The DXY looks like it's weakening. We have a bearish divergence. So if the DXY starts to roll over, it's pushing up a little bit now, and that's why you're seeing that wave 4 pullback for BTC, and then that divergence may play out, and that's when Bitcoin will put in its wave 5, in my opinion. Remember, it's not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada, but I do urge you to go to your daily chart and look at those 2 previous highs. Open up your RSI, your money flow index, and look at the similarity of what we're doing right now. All right, gang, make sure to sign up to either BitGet or Bybit. Grab those bonuses. Email me your sign up email, and you'll get completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, signals, crypto news, member profits. They like to post their gains in here. Looks like a lot of us were shorting the market on that Bitcoin pump, and a lot of us got wrecked. Well, it's good to see people posting their losses as well. But as you can see, they also post their juicy gains from their winning trades. All right, gang, Mahalo all plays all coming in for 10 USD per month. Sign up through the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.